How to use solo ads to increase your ClickFunnels active members. Hi, it's Belkio Pinto, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use solo ads to increase your ClickFunnels active members fast. Now remember that a solo ad is one of the fastest way to get traffic to your landing page, right? Because solo ads is becoming more popular day by day. The solo ads are increasing the amount of money you need to pay per clicks, and also the demand is going very high. So because of that, the scammers start to appear. To avoid losing your money and also increase your ClickFunnels active members very fast, you will need to use this platform that I'm going to use today, Udimi. There are some solo ads platform providers, but in this video we are going to use this one. If you are brand new with solo ads, you just grab the link below and sign up. It's completely free, no monthly fees or nothing. You don't need to pay anything. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it for to increase your conversion rate. And in this video also I'm going to use this landing page that you are seeing right here just for the sake of this video, so that you can see how the process, like step by step, how everything we're gonna go. So, and if you also want this landing page, I'm gonna give it to you. You just grab the link below. I build it. This landing page use ClickFunnels, so it's up to you if you want it. Okay, guys. So let's go back here. Okay. So normally when you are using Udimi or any other solo ads vendor, you basically need, first of all, to understand a little bit how everything works, right? So there are many people selling, you pay an amount of money to use their email list, and not everybody have the same email list. Like, for instance, they may have an email list for just crypto or for just a specific niche. All right, and if you want to use for make money online, right, you need to ask. Sometimes you need to ask and see if they can provide, or they have this kind of email list. Right here using Udimi, you have the forum, and with the forum they're gonna help you better to understand or to ask questions, first of all, so that all the vendors on Udemy are gonna see basically your question and ask if they have this kind of email list. I know perfectly that you can select here the niche, but just for the sake to increase our conversion rate, let's see the question over here. Go to forum, and in the forum you're gonna see a lot of questions, a lot of people asking many things, and you can type a question here and see the answer, or you can just come here and search if there is somebody that already did what you are trying to do, right? Like somebody that already asked, for instance, how to use ClickFunnels, to increase conversion rate or something like that. Just click here. Let's just type here ClickFunnels and see what. Okay, we get our results here. So ClickFunnels, as you can see, there are many questions. Many people asked already a lot of questions about ClickFunnels, as you can see here. And in this solo ads for ClickFunnels trial, any ClickFunnels manifestation and law of attraction was this guy was trying to ask law of attraction here. All right, 14-day trial sign up for ClickFunnels. One reply, you can see, right? You can see right here. And let's see which one has the most amount of replies. So okay, this one 12, and this one is New York. Responded this one. Anyone good at promoting ClickFunnels? Let's see. Type here 80 replies, and as you can see, okay, this guy said, I have sent traffic to ClickFunnels. Can you PM me your link and I will check your funnels and let you know if it would be a good fit for my list. Okay, you can just see the answer and see which solo ads vendor has the most but I can provide you with an email list that there are people that can become a ClickFunnels user. Okay, so also remember that it depends of your landing page. Okay, if your landing page sucks, it doesn't matter which kind of email list you're gonna use. It doesn't matter what kind of traffic you use. It will convert. It won't get nowhere. So just remember that. Okay. So as you can see here, this guy got a message, got approved. This guy say, okay, which one go sale you got, 95 or 295, 297. So you can go around and see what they are saying. And Damian here say, I have done over 2k clicks for the Sun funnel this week, average 100 and 200 clicks per trial. That's a good result. My God, this is already the dream car. Or if you have like 100 people paying ClickFunnels using your link, dude, the dream car is yours. Okay, so same here. I got a lot of that to the trials, but most cancel after trial. So here actually Damien is also saying that you need to be aware, when you're trying to say to do that, because a lot of people, they can just send you a list of people that they can start the trial, but after the trial they can left the platform. So you don't want that. You want people that can stick and use the platform as well. And if you want to increase your active members very fast, you need to follow up with emails all the time, like send them emails saying, give them bonus, give them reasons why they should use your link, why they should use ClickFunnels. Okay, remember that ClickFunnels is just a step, for something. Okay, people don't use ClickFunnels just for use ClickFunnels. They need to use ClickFunnels because they have a business or because they want to promote something. Okay, they use some kind of landing page to promote any type of business as well. So as you can see right here, this guy actually it looks like it's the Sun funnel which has gone viral. Oh, that's cool. You can use as right. So guys, if you actually want, for instance, you want this Sun funnel, you can just reply to this message, click here, reply, and send a message to Damian and ask if he can send you the funnel so that you can use. Okay, and this community right here, they help each other. So don't be afraid to ask. Just ask anything, any kind of question that you have, and they will appreciate to answer all your questions. So now that we can find here in the forum that there are people actually selling or promoting as well the ClickFunnels affiliate. So now you know which kind of vendor you're gonna succeed the most, because they are providing here like screenshot. They are telling you that, okay, I have that, and that's necessary for your success to promote ClickFunnels. And you can find here a lot of people doing that. You're gonna see. Let me just show you one example right here. One example that is so okay. This one, and as you can see, he sent this screenshot. Guga, I believe that's Guga. I have no idea that if I'm pronouncing his name well. I'm sorry, dude. But this guy is pretty good. His email list is one of the toughest email lists that you can find here on Udimi. I use it myself, so I'm not promoting his stuff, but I'm saying that I used myself and I saw results. As you can see, he sent a screenshot of 21 people trials, and that's good. And as well, he's saying that if you don't have the funnel, and if you are buying a good amount of clicks, he can send you the funnel, and that's good. The funnel that they are using is a good funnel. It's a funnel that can convert very, very well. So just put this in mind. Okay, now you have the solo vendor that you want to use. You have all the all your questions answered. Okay, now you can go to find sellers. Okay, you can go to find sellers right now, and find seller, you already know the seller that you're gonna promote, right, or that you're gonna use. So just you know, just type here the keyword. For instance, you're gonna use Google. Okay, let's say Google. I'm not saying that you need to use Google. You can use anybody you want. First of all, ask questions, go to the forum, see which one you're gonna use. Just for the sake of this video, let's use Google as an example. Okay, let's use Google and say Google. And also, if you want to know exactly how to select the right solo ads vendor for more in-depth, you can just go to the video that is pop up right now. Go to this video and watch. There is a lot of things I'm going through to show you exactly how to select the right solo ads vendor on Udimi. So let's just come here, and then here you can grab your link, yeah, the link of your landing page, or you can have a test. If you have a test, just click here. I have a test, and then you go through, and you know, it's very easy. Just grab the swipe up that you have, for the add cup that you have, and put there. And as well, I recommend to use only top tier countries, okay, like Australia, Canada, United States, New Zealand, and United Kingdom. You know, countries that are more likely to buy stuff. You know, they have money to buy stuff. So just put that in mind. And as well, I recommend you to have a minimum 100, or to buy at minimum 100 visitors to your landing page. That's, you know, just to test it. Don't buy more than that. That's my recommendation. You know, if you want to test, first of all, with someone you hadn't buy before, so just give a try. Okay, give a try. It is $62, and you just add to cart, and you're ready to go. So after that, for instance, we are using this one, right, and we send the link to this landing page that we showed before, this one. And when people come here on the landing page that we are using for the sake of this video, this is just an example, and they put here the email, wherever they're putting here. Let me see. And then when they click yes, send me the system, you need to have follow-up system on the place before you do that, okay, so that when they don't sign up on the first place, you're gonna send them follow-up, you know, messages to give them bonus, to say to them why they need to sign up, you know, give them a reason why they should do that. Okay, by the way, this landing page right here, this is a done for you system. If you want, again, you can grab the link below and use it. And when they say yes, send me the system, you know, it's good to go. It's good to go. You just need to know how to sell it more and more and more, and more stuff. Collect email. Don't forget that. Collect email. It's very crucial to do that. And guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any kind of questions, please don't be afraid. Just ask. I'm gonna give my time, and I'm gonna be glad to answer your question. Please watch all these videos that you are seeing right here popping up. Thank you very much. See you.